Hello and welcome to my video lesson series on Excel. It is called Excel in Business. The target audience for this video are people who presently have little or no Excel experience, but who have a goal of becoming extremely skilled at management and business analysis. In your career using Excel, you might find yourself in roles that utilize terminologies such as analyst, modeler, developer, and reporter. These roles have a high use of the Excel application. You might be wondering why I titled the series Excel in Business. Well, learning Excel skills is a great start. However, some will have noticed that in the present job market, demand for jobs requiring Excel skills far outstrips supply of such jobs. We therefore require not just Excel skills, but also Excel experience. In other words, we require practical use of Excel in the workplace. This lesson will therefore attempt to give you a feel of Excel in the workplace, so that you can hit the ground running. To this end, we will zoom out, zoom in, and use case study examples. By zooming out, we mean that we will be presenting a big picture analytical view of Excel in the workplace. By zooming in, we mean that we will actually be teaching Excel skills. The case study approach gives us a glimpse of how Excel is actually used in the workplace. I'll use a van to explain my delivery approach. Zooming in will mean driving lessons on how to switch on the ignition, change the gears, switch the lights on and off. Zooming out will be enabling the learner understand that a tank needs to be filled with gas, and that there are alternative vehicles other than vans that one can actually choose from when making a purchase, that a car has an impact on the immediate and larger environment in which it is driven. Case study will be simulating driving conditions so that the learner actually has a feel of what is out there in the wild world. You know, people crossing the streets, drivers blaring their horns, you just name it. Right, now that we are past those boring stuff, here is a question. What is Excel? I'll answer. Excel is a spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is an application that is presented in the form of tables and grids. Something like this. Spreadsheets are also able to store and process data. By process, we mean things like find, multiply, divide, extract, add, and join. So we could say spreadsheets are able to store and find data. We could say spreadsheets are able to store and extract data. We could also say spreadsheets are able to store and join data. There are a number of spreadsheets out there. They include Google Spreadsheet, Lotus, AppleWorks, Kingsoft, and Excel. Excel is by far the most popular spreadsheet in the market. We've got Excel 2002, Excel 2003, Excel 2007, Excel 2010, and Excel 2013. Most organizations that I have come across run either Excel 2003 or Excel 2007. Now, if you're wondering why so many versions of Excel, well, the newer versions are supposed to be an improvement on the older versions. In addition, the manufacturers need to continue making profit. Innovate or die, it is called. Here was a quick peek at Excel 2007. Not to worry, we'll get to practice on it some other time. Let's talk about how Excel can be used. Excel can be used as a database. That is, it can be used to store data. It can be used as an analysis tool. That is, to process data. It can also be used as a reporting tool. I'll use an example of a library to describe how an Excel end-to-end process works. Excel as a database can be compared to a library. Data like books, magazines, and journals are stored at a location. They can be accessed from this location when needed. Excel as an analysis tool can be likened to you asking your librarian to help you look for books. For example, you'd ask your librarian to help you look for two books, one written by Chinua Achebe, and the other one you're not sure of the author, but you know the name is something like Half a Yellow Sun. Excel as a reporting tool can be likened to the librarian presenting you with the book that you requested for. So it's like your manager asks that you provide a report on the headcount for the week. You go ahead and run your analysis, and then you present her with a report. The report could be presented in Excel, Word document, PDF, PowerPoint, or some other format. We've now reached the end of this lesson. Thank you for being a part of it. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Cheers, bye-bye.